Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable person, Mr. Dr. Andi Kaharudin SPM Hum, is a lecturer of Morphology and Sintax in the class of PBI 2024 for academic year 2025-2026. Excuse me, sir, I'm Firkoh Najiyah Ala with student ID number 204000124 and 006, and I would like to answer a question from assignment 4, the reflectional morphology. The first one is 5 questions based on the chapter. Number 1, what is the main distinction between the reflectional and inflectional morphology? And the answer is the reflectional morphology focuses on forming new word by adding prefix or suffix to a base, often changing the word class or meaning. For example, happy as an adjective and happiness as a noun. Meanwhile, inflectional morphology only adjusts a word to fit its grammatical rule, like tense, number, or case, without creating a new word, for example, walk to walk. Number 2, how do the reflectional affixes change the grammatical category of a word? And provide example from the chapter. And the answer is the reflectional affixes often shape a word from one part of speech to another. For instance, the first is act as a verb, to action as a noun with an, and the second is teach as a verb, to teacher as a noun with and the last is quick as adjective, to quickly as a verb with li. This process shows how learners can expand vocabulary by recognizing predictable pattern in affixation. Number 3, what are some common prefix and suffix discussed in the chapter, and how do they contribute to word formation? And the answer is the first prefix. For example, prefix an in word unhappy have a meaning not, and re in word redo have a meaning again, and this in a word disagree have a meaning opposite, and pre in a word preview have a meaning before, and miss in a word misunderstand have a word wrong. And the next is suffix. For the first suffix in a word teacher as a person, and suffix ness in kindness as a state, and ment in word development as a process, and shen in invention as a result, and able in readable as capable of. These affixes appear frequently in texts, especially academic ones, and help learners decode meaning and generate new vocabulary. And number 4, how do word families support vocabulary retention and understanding? And the answer is word family group a root word with all its derived forms. For example, write, writer, writing, rewrite, even unwritten. By studying them, learners see how words are interconnected, which improves memory and contextual understanding. This method encourage learners to expand vocabulary around a single base rather than memorizing words in isolation. And the next is number 5. What are some teaching technique mentioned in the chapter that can help students learn the reflectional morphology effectively? And the answer is word sum and matrix show how affixes combine with roots. For example, re plus act plus an in a word reaction, Affix sorting lets students categorize a word by affix type. For example, or for nouns or able for adjective. Morphemes hunt encourage students to find and analyze the right words in real text. Games such as dominoes and bingo dominoes and bingo make learning affixes more engaging. And sentence transformation activities let students rewrite sentence using derived form, such as changing she is kind into her kindness is appreciated. And the next, we move to 3 critical questions relevant to the chapter. And number 1, how can teaching derivational morphology impact students' overall language comprehension and reading fluency in both academic and everyday context? And the answer is, teaching derivational morphology equips students with strategies to decode unfamiliar words, boosting comprehension. Since many academic words are derived forms, recognizing them improves reading fluency and writing accuracy. In daily life, this knowledge helps learners interpret new vocabulary and communicate with greater flexibility. And number 2, what challenge might learners face when trying to master the use of derivation affixes, and how can educators address these challenges? And the answer is, learners may struggle with memorizing many affixes with overlapping meanings, dealing with irregular change in spelling such as happy to happiness, and confusion when multiple affixes attach to the same root. Teacher can address this by focusing first on high frequency affixes using visual tools like word metrics, and encouraging active practice through reading, writing, and word family notebooks. Number 3, as a last number, in what ways can morphology notebooks and word sum help students better internalize and apply knowledge of word formation in their writing and vocabulary usage? And the answer is, morphology notebooks allow students to document root affixes and derived forms systematically. Word sum show how new words are built step by step. Together, they encourage reflection, independent learning, and stronger recall. As a result, learners become more confident in applying derivational knowledge in both writing and speaking. Okay, that's all answer from me. I'm sorry for I have a mistake, and thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.